One crumb can turn your kitchen into an ant highway. Ants are not random bugs. They are living cities underground. They live almost everywhere, from sidewalks to rainforests. A colony usually has queens, workers, and short-lived flying males. Here is today's challenge. Spot each ant by its clue. The secret is not size alone. Watch behavior and habitat. First, carpenter ants. They tunnel through wood to build nests. Important clue, they do not eat wood like termites. Around homes, moisture-damaged wood is their favorite doorway. Big dark ants near wood? That clue matters. Fire ants are famous for mounds and painful stings. Disturb the mound, and workers can swarm fast. They grip with jaws, then sting with the abdomen. In warmer US areas, check lawns before sitting down. Leafcutter ants look like tiny gardeners carrying green sails. They do not simply eat leaves, they farm fungus. Different workers handle different jobs, like a living factory. Call that clue. Not every farmer walks on two legs. Weaver ants build nests in trees by pulling leaves together. Their larvae produce silk, and workers use it like thread. The result is a leafy nursery hanging above the ground. Tiny tailors existed long before sewing machines. Pavement ants are the sidewalk ants many people notice first. Their nests often hide under stones, slabs, or concrete. Indoors, they usually follow food trails from outside. Challenge answer. Sidewalk crack plus tiny trail often means pavement ants. Odorous house ants are tiny, dark, and love sweet food. Their weird clue is a rotten coconut smell when crushed. They can nest outside, then move indoors for food. Seal sweets, clean trails, and close tiny entry gaps. Pharaoh ants are extremely tiny, yellowish, and hard to control. They hide in wall voids, cabinets, bathrooms, and kitchens. Spraying can scatter colonies, creating more hidden nests. For indoor mystery ants, correct identification saves time and money. Army ants are hunters that move in powerful marching columns. Many army ants are nomadic, carrying the colony with them. Some ants turn their own bodies into bridges. So far, ants have built cities, farms, nests, and bridges. Argentine ants are tiny invaders with huge colony networks. Their colonies can connect across large areas like one empire. They may protect sap-feeding insects to collect sweet honeydew. Garden tip. Ant trails on plants may reveal aphids. Harvester ants collect seeds and store them underground. Think of them as tiny pantry managers. Some harvester ants can sting, so respect their nests. Ants also help ecosystems by moving seeds around. Bullet ants are large tropical ants with a legendary sting. Their sting is famous for extreme burning pain. They are not house pests. They belong to tropical forests. Callback clue. Location can identify the ant before size does. Trapjaw ants have spring-loaded jaws that snap incredibly fast. Those jaws help catch prey in a split second. Sometimes the snap launches the ant away from danger. Ants are not simple. They are specialists with superpowers. To identify ants, check color, size, nest, and behavior. Food trails, wood tunnels, mounds, and leaves tell stories. For homes, remove food, fix leaks, and seal entry points. Outdoors, watch where you step and keep food covered. 12 ants, 12 clues. Which one surprised you most? Comment your answer, like this video, and subscribe for more Tiny World facts.